In martial arts, hitting an opponent straight on creates more power than a glancing blow. The same is true with drumming. Drumming with a straight downward motion improves sound quality, rebound, and playing zone accuracy. But if your stick slices at an angle, this creates a weaker sound quality and makes it harder to play with control and consistency. So how do we fix slicing? One way is to practice with one of your sticks pointing straight at a mirror so you can see when your stick slices. To make it easier to see when you slice, draw a straight line with an erasable marker and trace the line while you drum. You can also record a video of yourself playing so you can watch it in slow motion to see what's happening with your hands that's causing the slice. To stop slicing, hold one drumstick on the inside or outside of your other stick to train one hand at a time to move straight up and down while playing something like accent taps. Just make sure that 1, you aren't pushing into the stick as it's there to guide, not grind, and 2, that your guiding stick is actually straight up and down, otherwise it'll reinforce the slice. This is a great way to practice one hand at a time without slicing, but how do you fix slicing while playing with both hands? If you tape cereal boxes to your drum pad, they can act as guides for preventing slicing while you drum with both hands. If you want to get extra fancy like I did when I was marching, you could build plexiglass walls that allow you to see your sticks while you practice any of the thousands of free technique, chop, and grid variations in my YouTube channel's home tab. Use timestamps in the description to jump to a specific BPM, and check out the tips and lessons section for hundreds more drumming tips and lessons.